Each column to the right is a different item in the course. If a test is set to grade itself, for example if it is all multiple choice or fill in the blank, then you won't need to grade the item here. The grade will simply appear. However, that grade is not set in stone. You can of course change a student grade at any time. To see the particular details of a given column or assignment, simply click the chevron next to it and click Quick Column Information. This will tell you the details surrounding the assignment. To edit these details, click the chevron again and click Edit Column Information. In the Edit Column Information function, there is an important option. Many of our instructors don't want to show a grade to students because they want the students to focus on the content. So in this primary display dropdown, you can choose an option other than score. You can have the assignment simply marked complete or incomplete, or you could use text and you could write in a custom word or phrase such as done or in progress. Another really important part of the settings is the due date. By setting the due date in the assignment, and you can do this when you first create the assignment or you can do it later by this function, but by setting the due date you gain two big advantages, one for you and one for the students. For your students, by setting the due date, it adds it to their calendar in Blackboard, where you can see different assignments for different courses are color-coded. And the students can even add their own items to this calendar. It also means that it shows on the To-Do module, which is on the Standard School of Ed course homepage. They can see items that are due, due in the future, and past due. They can dismiss the notice, or even navigate to the item from here. Since this student already submitted an assignment, it takes us directly to that submission and the feedback. The advantage to adding a due date for you as the instructor is that adding due dates makes it easier to change dates going forward. There's a tool in the left-hand menu under Course Tools called Date Management. Now remember, this only works if you've set the dates once. So if you set all the dates this term, then when you copy the course for the next term, this tool will make it very easy to change all of your due dates. This one pops up some dates because I've run it before, but if it's a new term, you'll want to rerun the tool. And I usually just list all dates. It's generally hard to say to shift all the dates a certain number of days unless you have super straightforward assignments and due dates. So we mark to list all dates and click Start. Wait for it to run. Click Next, and it will pop up with any items where you have set a date in the system. From here, it's easy to change these dates with this Edit button. When you're done, be sure to click the checkbox to save changes. Alright, it's time for a content check. Click on the screen the menu where you will find the Date Management tool. If you are correct, it will advance you to the next clip. If you are incorrect, it will restart this video.